Cleaning a grimy bathtub might not be the most glamorous task, but it's essential for keeping your bathroom fresh and hygienic. Today, I'll share simple tips and methods to get your tub sparkling clean without the hassle. Let's get started. First things first, cleaning your bathtub regularly, say every week or two, goes a long way in preventing grime buildup. After every use, wiping the tub dry and running the exhaust fan can help keep humidity and scum at bay. Consistency is your best friend here. Step 1. Ditch the bar of soap. Here's something many people don't realize. Bar soap is a major culprit for soap scum. It clings to everything and creates the perfect environment for mold and grime to thrive. Switching to liquid body wash instead of bar soap can make a huge difference in keeping your tub cleaner for longer. Step 2. Cleaning solutions that work. Here are some tried and true options to tackle grime. Dish soap and vinegar. Mix equal parts vinegar and dish soap in a spray bottle, shake it up, and spray the entire tub. Let it sit for about an hour, then wipe it down with warm, soapy water and rinse. It's perfect for dissolving soap scum. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Fill your tub with warm water to cover any dirt rings. Add half a cup each of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Let the foaming mixture sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then drain, rinse, and dry. Bar Keeper's Friend. This classic cleaner is great for tackling soap scum, rust stains, and limescale. It sticks to vertical surfaces, so no scrubbing mess. Just follow the instructions on the label. Step 3. Handy tools for easy cleaning. Magic erasers. These are amazing for removing soap scum, grease, and even mold. They also work wonders on grout lines. Power brush. If you're looking to save some time and effort, invest in a rechargeable electric cleaning brush with a long handle. It's a game changer for scrubbing without the strain. Cleaning do's and don'ts. A few quick tips to make cleaning safer and more effective. Do's. Always use soft tools like sponges and microfiber cloths to avoid scratching your tub. Follow the instructions on cleaning products for the best results, and wipe your tub dry after every use to prevent buildup. Don'ts. Don't use abrasive cleaners or tools like steel wool, which can damage the surface of your tub. And don't mix vinegar and bleach. The gases they produce are extremely dangerous. And there you have it, everything you need to keep your bathtub sparkling clean. Regular maintenance and the right tools can make this chore quick and easy.